Engineered for high-performance rides, our ACN-1200 delivers a powerful 1,200 lumens of light output, providing clear visibility with precise high and low beam functions. Utilizing the second-generation MTI Plus optical technology, this headlight is designed with a specially refined beam pattern ideal for high-speed riding over varied terrain. The durable aluminum housing combines efficient cooling technology, ensuring the lamp withstands the elements while maintaining consistent, long-lasting performance. The ACN-1200 offers a two-piece control switch for convenient high-beam activation. Mounting flexibility is provided through multiple options, including fork, stem, handlebar, and GoPro compatibility. Featuring robust IP56 protection, it resists high-pressure water and dust ingress under any weather conditions. Our ACN-1200 is available in 3 configurations and mounting packages. On the left you can see our S package with the handlebar mount accessories. The D version in the middle is our standard package with our downward-facing pins. For example, you could mount this one on the fork. And on the right-hand side is the U version with our standard light package for the stem front. The mounting videos for each kind is on our website. For that, visit www.light-move.com. Thank you for watching.